Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the new pads and a clean, flat workspace. Start now. First, power off and unplug the headset so you won't tug a live cable. This protects the jack. Hold the left cup steady with one hand, then pinch the pad edge with the other and pull gently, slow, and even. Once it starts to detach, keep the ring angle consistent so clips clear. You're removing the pad to expose the mounting ring. Be careful not to yank the driver or mic wiring. Once the old pad is off, inspect the plastic ring and foam for damage. Clean any dust so the new pad seats fully. Take the replacement pad and locate the inner gasket. Align the pad's notch marks with the headset's 3 clip points so orientation matches microphone side. Slowly stretch the gasket over the ring, pressing gently from one clip to the next. Make sure each clip clicks. This ensures a sealed fit and consistent sound response when you finish reassembly. Once both pads are snapped on, reconnect the cable and power the headset. Play a test track and speak into the mic to confirm fit and clarity. If audio seems muffled or off balance, make sure pads are fully seated. You may need to remove and reseat with firmer, even pressure. If clips resist seating, inspect for a torn gasket or warped ring. Replacing a damaged ring fixes fit issues. Finally, make sure mic orientation and cable route.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.